Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I want to share a bit about why we believe art is not just important, but essential to our well-being, especially our children. I've always felt a deep connection to art, a sentiment that's not always easy to communicate or articulate. But one thing that I've realized is that when I engage in creative activities consistently, it lifts my spirits and improves my mood. We've all heard of hangry, angry, and hungry. This is the same thing. If I am not creative and using my imagination, then I definitely get cranky, and so do our kids. The need for a creative outlet has become more apparent than ever. And it's not just important, it's essential for all of our overall happiness. We believe in creating our own happiness and, when possible, sharing that joy with others. And art is a powerful medium that allows us to do just that. It doesn't matter if you're 5 or 95, you can all art and you can do it together. Art becomes a means for our children to slowly work through their thoughts and feelings. Sometimes emotions are hard. Well, let's be honest, emotions are always hard. But emotions are easier expressed through color and shape than in words. Have you ever seen a toddler who's frustrated color and they just scribble all over the page? They are releasing emotion when they do that. And remember, art isn't just limited to drawings and paintings. It can serve in various forms, even Legos and building. It's about doing non-passive activities that use your creativity and imagination. It can take various forms, serving as a visual representation of what our children are learning and experiencing. Send us a message to check out our class listings to discover the multitude of ways art can be a powerful tool for learning and self-expression. Thanks for joining us on this creative journey. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more artistic inspiration. Until next time, keep creating and spreading joy through art.